Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Simplifying School, where we turn your frown of frustration into a smile of success. Today we are going to look at synthetic division. So what I've done here on the left-hand side, I've done the question that we're going to do with synthetic division. I've already done with long division so that we can compare it to the end result of it. So what we do for synthetic division is we're going to write it this way. But before we find out which numbers we are going to use here, we are going to take the thing that we divide by and let it be equal to 0. So we're going to say x minus 1 equal to 0 and solve for x. So x would be equal to 1. That 1 I'm going to put here. Then we're going to take the coefficients of each of the terms and we're going to put it inside the block. Right. Then the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the process itself. So first thing what we do is we bring down this little guy all the way there and we write it down as it is. Then we're going to say 6 times 1 gives me 6. Then we're going to say 4 plus 6 gives me 10. Then we're going to say 1 times 10 gives me 10. 0 plus 10 gives me 10. 1 times 10 gives me 10. 2 plus 10 gives me 12. Now, because our original question had this as an x cubed, our answer here would be x squared. That was an x squared, so this would just be an x. That was x to the power of 1, so this would have no x's. And then obviously we'll have our remainder there. So these are all positive, and let's compare our answers. So we say it's 6x squared plus 10x plus 10, remainder 12. So this is how it works. So basically, just going to run through this again. So we write our first coefficient down right as it is. The bottom, then we start multiply, put the answer there. Let me just write this here for you guys. So we're going to say multiply. Then we're going to put the answer there. And then we're going to add. So this is step 1. Step 2. And step 3. And we're going to repeat that process the whole time. And that is what there is to. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel and tell everybody who you think this video can help about this video.